All right. I know I'm a day late, and I also know I promised that IQ video and a Zerlatch, but we'll probably get that out tomorrow. Maybe. But my boy Overhaul, he got some real moves now. So let's go ahead and check those out real quick. All right, let's check it out. Load up. It's like a random friend off your friends list. You absorb them. Beautiful. Truly, that mode, like the mode just looks nice, bro. It just truly looks nice. But anyways, let's see what these mode moves are. We have, ooh, give me a second. Calamitous Rushdown and Disgusted Dismay. All right, let's try Calamitous Rushdown. Okay. Ooh, cutscene. Okay. Okay. Oh, not done? Dang. Okay, I like that. I don't think it has a finisher. Let me check the Discord server real quick. 1 second. Yeah, it doesn't have a finisher. And then there's Disgusted Dismay, which does more damage based off the amount of people it hits. So let's try it out first. Oh. Okay, wait, I like that. It does, okay, it does more damage. So let me spawn in a bunch of dummies. All right, this is the most damage it can do with 5 people. Okay. That just do like 40%? Oh, 40% for one move? Oh, that's kind of dastardly. I will not lie. That's kind of dastardly. I will not lie. Let's see. Just making sure this doesn't have a finisher. Rush down. Oh my gosh, that's a nasty way to finish it off. I won't lie. All right, that's pretty cool. And other than that, I don't think they added anything else. So I guess I'll just go into a public server with the low mode. Try it out. I go off F would be worse mode. Nice. Oh, I'm garbage. Oh, I really don't want to get hit by a raw conjure. What the? And I still get that kill? Nice. I can basically kill him now. Bro, you're not serious. Can you get out of the way? Hello? Like, okay. Like, you're still dead. You're still dead, but you almost got saved. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie. Fight me. Loki got in the way of my last fight. I don't appreciate that. Oh, did not expect that to land. Where's my opponent? Ooh, popping mode on me is kind of crazy, but I ain't scared. Oh, I'm kind of scared. Oh, GG. Bro, who are you? Who are you? Wait, is that kind of clean? Was that? Man, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, whoa. Bro. Hello? Like, we just can't respect ones, I guess. Like, actually, I'll just pop mode. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I'm not dying like that. Let me absorb this body, bro. Anyways, come here. Not done with you. Dang. Ooh. This hits all of you. Mank. Into this. Mank. I'm not done. Follow up. I would love to get my skill off right now, but getting chased by a warp portal mode for who knows what reason, honestly. Dang. That move is like actually so clean. Oh, I just sold. I could have just killed him right there. Like, look at this. Like the guy is one tap. Y'all ever heard of what? Y'all ever heard of what? Oh, wow. You finally killed me. Nice, I guess. Ooh, give me that. Behind you. I'm gonna borrow that head up off you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I'm on that block timing. Oh, I'm on that block timing. Beautiful. Wish I had a move right there, but... Oh my god. Is it too free? Is it too free? Is it too free? Okay, like, what are you doing, Sonic? You caused this. What? Idiot. I'm not done with you. You think just because you pop mode, I'm scared? Dang, that's true. Dang, that's true. Too bad you're not killing me with it. Come here. Stop running from it. This way. Up, down. Oh, I didn't get him. Unfortunate. That's a pretty good hitbox. Like Sonic, not your fight. I killed you once. Kind of disabled the move I wanted to use. Won't lie, you kind of disabled the move I wanted to use, but it should come back after this. Anyways, revenge time. Mink, 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 mink. And death. Death. Anyways, mode's pretty cool. I like the update. It's pretty chill. I can't wait for the next one. I want to see what they start adding for finishers and how they decide to finish the update. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me just laugh on him real quick. Ooh, and I'm out.